Welcome back to 3 News at 5. Today, Ruth Miller appeared in Tuscarawas County Court for her pretrial hearing.
The Amish mother of 4 is accused of murdering her 4-year-old son and endangering her 3 other children during what officials described as a spiritual delusion. Annabelle Childers is live now from the newsroom. So, Annabelle, what are the latest developments in this case?
Well, Ruth Miller is charged with aggravated murder, felonious assault, endangering children, and domestic violence. But she's pleading not guilty by reason of insanity to those charges. And that type of plea makes the trial process a bit different here. Now, the purpose of today's pretrial hearing was for both legal teams and the judge to decide the instructions that will be given to the jury. Now, because of Ruth Miller's insanity plea, when the trial begins in March, jurors will be tasked with determining wrongfulness. I talked today with Michael Ernest, a law professor in practice at Case Western Reserve University, and he explained the process of setting clear instructions for the jury.
The idea is that we try to give the jury the best explanation about what the burdens are, what the state of the law is, what are the requirements, so that they can then make the best decision that they can to decide whether or not, yes, this is a not guilty by reason of insanity case, or they reject that defense.
The hearing this afternoon lasted around 30 minutes. Both the defense and prosecution said there was a lot they agreed on in the definition of wrongfulness, and they agreed that subjective moral wrongfulness is not the standard in Ohio law. That means the focus in Ohio law is on legal or objective wrongfulness, not wrongfulness based on a defendant's personal religious beliefs of morality. Now, this was where the legal team split. The prosecution wants the jury and forensic experts to be told that subjective moral wrongfulness is not the state legal standard. But the defense argued sharing that additional information with jurors and forensic experts is unnecessary and would be over-instructing the parties involved.
These professionals know how to do their job without the benefit of all this extra fluff. And they do it on a routine basis. And it's the same for juries, Your Honor. I mean, juries reach verdicts on sanity cases all the time across the state of Ohio without an instruction like this.
And the judge did not make a decision from the bench on whether these instructions will be given to the jury and forensic experts. He told both legal teams he would issue a written decision by the end of the week.
All right, Annabelle Childers from the newsroom, thank you.